Hello team, welcome back. Now we have discussed that how the world will look like without the Helm. Now this is the right time to understand what is Helm. So Helm is basically a package manager. Helm is a package manager running on Kubernetes. What is the package manager? And because this is a package manager, so it basically simplify the microservices management on the Kubernetes. So package manager is basically manage the package and artifact for the specified object. Let me take an example. If you are using the Windows, then you may have seen the Windows installer. You can execute the exe file using the Windows installer. If you have ever used the Ubuntu, then you have seen the apt. Apt is a package manager on the Ubuntu. Similar, if you have used the CentOS, yum is a package manager over there. And on the developer side, if you have ever used the Node, then you have seen the npm as a package manager available for the Node. If you have used the Python, then pip is the package manager available for the Python. So package manager is something which will help you to basically install the packages, upgrade the packages, uninstall the packages, configure the packages, and instrument the packages on a specific object. Like Windows, apt, yum, npm, pip, they are the package manager for the different thing. On the similar way, Helm is a package manager for the Kubernetes. Using the Helm, you can install the things on the Kubernetes, upgrade the things, uninstall the things, configure the things. There are the multiple operations you can do on the Kubernetes using the Helm. Let me tell you how Helm work with the Kubernetes. So here we have the Helm, which is basically running on the Kubernetes cluster. Whatever the Kubernetes cluster you are running on that Kubernetes cluster, you are executing the Helm, or you have configured the Helm. Helm have the charts. Charts are the things which contains the template and configuration which is required for the Kubernetes resource execution. Once you will execute the Helm chart, Helm basically execute the resources on the Kubernetes cluster. Whatever the resources you have configured on your chart template and chart configuration, these resources or the deployment will be done on the Kubernetes. Let me tell you how simple it is. If you want to create the Nginx ingress, then you just need to execute this simple command: helm install, define your deployment name. In my case, this is my Nginx. Define the location or repository, from which location or repository Helm need to download the charts. In this case, this is the Nginx official repository, Nginx stable, Nginx ingress. Sometimes you may use your own repository or Bitnami repository. Then you can define your namespace. At what namespace you need to create that particular resources. This is so simple. So using the Helm, you can install the things, you can uninstall the things, you can upgrade the things, you can downgrade the things. There are n number of operations you can done using the Helm on the Kubernetes, because Helm work as a package manager for the Kubernetes. So I hope right now you may get some idea that what is the Helm and how Helm work with the Kubernetes. In the coming lecture, we will see what we can do once we have the Helm on the Kubernetes, and how Helm is basically making the Kubernetes developers life easy, or how Helm is basically beneficial for the Kubernetes DevOps engineers. Thank you team. See you in the coming lecture.